10 key concepts shaping the future of sustainability in business. Sustainability in business is no longer a mere consideration, but a vital aspect of long-term success. As environmental concerns grow, governments, investors, and consumers are demanding responsible practices that prioritize ecological balance, social welfare, and economic stability. Businesses are rising to the challenge by adopting innovative strategies and frameworks that address these needs. Below are 10 key sustainability concepts that are shaping the future of business. The triple bottom line approach expands the traditional focus on financial performance to include social and environmental impacts. Businesses are encouraged to balance their priorities across 3 dimensions: economic success, social responsibility, and environmental stewardship. For example, Patagonia emphasizes environmentally friendly practices by sourcing sustainable materials and reducing waste, while also prioritizing employee welfare and community engagement alongside profits. The circular economy moves away from the traditional take, make, dispose model to a system that minimizes waste and keeps resources in use for as long as possible. This involves designing products for durability, repairability, and recyclability. Companies like IKEA have embraced this model by creating furniture recycling programs and investing in sustainable raw materials, helping reduce their environmental footprint while offering long-lasting products to consumers. Corporate social responsibility reflects a company's commitment to addressing social and environmental challenges while maintaining ethical business practices. This can include charitable activities, fair labor practices, and reducing environmental harm. Unilever has taken significant steps in this area, tackling global issues like water scarcity and climate change, while also ensuring their supply chain adheres to ethical standards. This concept involves integrating social and environmental considerations into all stages of the supply chain. From sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products, companies aim to reduce their environmental footprint and ensure fair treatment of workers. Apple, for instance, is transitioning its supply chain to renewable energy, working toward carbon neutrality, and using recycled materials in its manufacturing processes. Green innovation refers to creating new technologies, products, and processes that are environmentally friendly and energy efficient. This can range from renewable energy solutions to biodegradable packaging. Tesla exemplifies green innovation by producing electric vehicles, investing in solar energy, and promoting the use of sustainable energy systems worldwide. ESG criteria are a set of standards used to evaluate how companies operate in terms of sustainability, ethical governance, and social impact. Investors increasingly use these criteria to assess businesses for long-term viability and ethical responsibility. Microsoft has demonstrated leadership in this area by committing to carbon-negative operations, advancing workplace diversity, and prioritizing data privacy. Carbon neutrality involves balancing emitted greenhouse gases with actions like tree planting or investing in carbon offset projects. Net zero goals focus on reducing emissions to nearly zero through sustainable practices and clean energy. Amazon has set an ambitious target to reach net zero carbon by 2040 using renewable energy, electrifying its delivery fleet, and optimizing its logistics network. The Sustainable Development Goals are a set of global objectives established by the United Nations to address poverty, inequality, and environmental challenges by 2030. These goals encourage businesses to adopt practices that align with broader societal and environmental priorities. Nestlé, for instance, integrates these goals by addressing issues such as food security, clean water access, and sustainable agricultural practices. Life cycle assessment evaluates the environmental impact of a product or service at every stage, from raw material extraction to disposal. This helps businesses identify areas for improvement in their sustainability efforts. Nike, for example, uses this approach to reduce waste and carbon emissions in its product designs, including its line of sustainable footwear and apparel. Green marketing highlights a company's commitment to environmental responsibility through the promotion of sustainable products and practices. This approach not only differentiates a brand, but also educates consumers about the importance of sustainability. Seventh Generation, a household cleaning brand, markets its products by emphasizing renewable plant-based ingredients and environmentally safe manufacturing processes. Sustainability concepts such as these are reshaping the way businesses operate in the modern world. By integrating principles of environmental conservation, social equity, and ethical governance, Organizations can create lasting value for both their stakeholders and the planet. These practices not only help mitigate the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, but also build trust and loyalty among consumers, employees, and investors. Companies that prioritize sustainability are better equipped to thrive in an increasingly conscious and competitive marketplace, contributing to a future that benefits all. Stay tuned for more insights into business and organizational behavior. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on future topics you'd like us to cover. I'm Dr. Dog, wishing you a fantastic day ahead.